You're spending too much on store-bought juices, seriously. Do you know you can freeze fresh fruit juices like this one for up to 6 months and they remain safe to drink for up to 1 year? But consuming them within 2 to 3 months assures you the best quality in terms of taste, flavor, and nutrient retention. So, for everyone always asking how I store my fruit juices, I freeze them. If I decide not to share this juice with anyone, it will last 2 good months, but if I share, it will last 3 weeks. Now tell me how much it will cost you if you had to buy this quantity from the store. Meanwhile, my Relox SDF commercial slow juicer has been waiting to collect all these fruits and turn them into a delicious and highly refreshing juice. So, this is a fantastic investment for you if you run a juice business, have a large family, or you just want to juice in bulk like me and store for months. For those of you still saying it is still sugar, remember that sugar is different from sugar from natural source. And I made this low sugar recipe specially for you. The fruits I have here are mildly sweet, save for the pineapple, which I added intentionally because some will still ask if it is sweet enough and if I will be adding sugar. I don't know at this point. Can we find a middle ground? Please type in the comments if you prefer mildly sweet, very sweet, or bitter leaf kind of sweet, and I just might make your specification next. My people, Relox has an ongoing promo combo deal sale where you can buy some of the appliances you've been eyeing for less. So this is the best time to buy your own Relox appliances, be it this SDF commercial slow juicer, the Tornado Beast engine blender, that heavy duty grinder that you all have been asking about. Everything is on the website. So go to the Relox website to shop yours now because this promo combo deal is only for a short time. The amount of juice I got is about 40 liters. Let me know where you can buy that quantity for less than 20,000 naira. I have to mention that juicing this amount of fruits took me less than 30 minutes, and that is what the Relox SDF commercial slow juicer does. Crushing fruits and vegetables effortlessly and making sure you get the most amount of juice from them. Alright, my people, I think it is safe to wrap it up on today's bulk juicing episode. I will see you very soon with another bulk juice recipe. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.